Hey guys, today we're going to talk about what is the difference between ceremonial grade matcha and culinary grade matcha. Creating ceremonial grade matcha is an art and labor-intensive process. To start, they shade the tea plant for the last 3 weeks, blocking more than 80–90% of the sunlight. Then, the youngest and the most delicate tea leaves are selectively handpicked from the top of the tea plant. Next, they do a quick steam to prevent the oxidation, and then it goes through a process of air drying, de-stemming and deveining, where they remove all of the stems and all of the veins, leaving only the meaty part left, and that is called tencha. This tencha is then taken for the stone grounding, which is the last process in creating matcha. The stone grounding must be slow enough not to create too much heat that would burn the powder or damage the flavor. The next step is the proper storage to protect it from heat and light. Any shortcuts taken will lower the quality of the final matcha powder and will lead to grades like culinary. Insufficient shading or picking older leaves or second or third harvest, pan frying instead of steaming, incomplete de-stemming and deveining, machine grounding instead of stone grounding, poor storage or packaging such as glass or anything that would allow light in. Those were all factors that will make the process more time efficient and economically more sensible, but at the expense of the quality of the final matcha powder. And when we talk about quality, we are talking about the color, the taste, and the aroma. With ceremonial grade matcha, you will have a vibrant jade green color with subtle sweetness and pleasant aroma. While with culinary, it's going to have a muddy yellow-greenish color with harsh astringent flavors and a grassy aroma. And that's why we always recommend that you stick with ceremonial grade matcha, because there is a huge difference in the taste when you're drinking it as a tea and a latte and when you're adding it to your yogurts and your desserts, especially the ones that don't need any heat. Thank you so much for watching. To learn how to identify and buy excellent quality matcha, check out the link here. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more videos, and we'll see you later.